So I will explain about the first safety hazard. So the first one is slippery floor. So the causes of slippery floor, the first one is spills on floor. For example, the spill of any liquids such as water and juice. So the second one is improper cleaning procedure. So the spills are not cleaned up properly. And the last one is weather conditions. So especially in rainy days. So what is the consequences of a slippery floor? The first one is accident injuries. Slippery floor can lead to the slip, trips, and falls, which can cause injuries. So when an accident occurs, of course, it will involve medical bills and time off work, school and work. Okay, the last one, so how to control them? Ongoing assessment. We make an ongoing assessment of the floor. For example, the floor should be assessed on regular basis to identify any potential hazard. And the second one is regular cleaning procedure. So this place should be clean up immediately. And the last one, slip resistant mat. So the slip resistant mat can be placed in area where there is a high risk of slip and falls.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Rahman and my metric number is 286020. Next, I'm going to present to you the health hazard, which is an allergic reactions due to unhygienic environment. Allergies occur when our immune systems react to substances that are typically harmless. In an unhygienic environment, common allergens such as dust mites, mold, and cockroach droppings can trigger these reactions. The main reason why allergic reactions exist in a student residential is because of poor ventilations, high humidity, and the building material itself. So all of these causes will overall impact on student health, such as unpleasant symptom, short breath, and feel tightness in the chest for students that have asthma. In order to prevent the situations from getting worse, control measures need to be taken, such as reporting to student residential to implement and enforce regular cleaning schedules and prioritizing personal hygiene by doing hand washing. Next, I'm also going to present to you the leakage ceiling hazard. The purpose of these problems usually happen is because of less plumbing maintenance, structural problems, and ceiling problems due to heavy rains. So all of these factors will definitely give a negative impact on students, such as damaging the physical infrastructures of the building and safety issues for students, such as falls and uncomfortable. Therefore, it is important for taking control measures, such as doing a ceiling inspections in every building in student residential areas and giving information through the education process.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Anis Aini binti Muhammad Ismail with metric number 285967. One of the most high-risk hazard in the student residence area is defective to the wall plug in the student's room. The negligence of students lead to the damage of this electrical plug, which risks their safety. For example, poking the socket with iron equipment or using a 3-pin plug from a new electronic item without first removing the protective paper on the plug. The danger of a broken electrical wall plug can result in students receiving an electric shock when they touch it. This situation puts students at risk of being exposed to injuries such as muscle spasms, cuts, and burns. Action can be implemented in solving this hazard issue is correctly fix the broken electrical plug and electric appliance to prevent students from getting electrocuted. JPP must do maintenance on regular basis rather than only when a report is received. To guarantee that there are no defective or dangerous electrical plug issues. As a result, this also indirectly protects safety students in their respective residential college from being exposed to risky electrical damage. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Shazwan and my friends. My name is Nazira binti Nazam. My metric number 284631. I will explain about the extension cord has an accessible burden. The causes of hazard because of insufficient electrical outlets in the student's residence, leading to the use of excessive extension plugs and posing a fire hazard. The consequence of using excessive extension plugs include the risk of overloading, damaging electronic devices, disrupting the electricity supply, and causing fires. Short circuits can occur, leading to explosion in electrical equipment and potential fires spread to fabric surface in student rooms. If not contained, the fire can destroy the entire student residence. There's a lot of countermeasure we can do to prevent this hazard from happen, but I will explain only two. The first, offer communal spaces with shared electrical resources like charging station to reduce the need for excessive personal extension cords or outlets in student rooms. Set up design area within the restaurant hall where students can conveniently and safely charge their devices. This area can be communal spaces such as a common room, study area, or design charging station rooms. Strategically, place the charging station in easily accessible location within the resident hall, making it convenient for students to charge their devices without needing to use their personal extension cord in their rooms. By implementing communal charging station, student residents can create a safer and more organized environment, reducing electrical hazard and promoting responsible behavior among students.